Yeah, are you willing? Yeah, are you willing?
Yeah,
What type
company?
of
What
business?
company?
Pogo.
Pogo.
Sure.
No, no, no.
Sure.
No, 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 no. No, thank you.
We're actually,
Why?
We're actually working in BI,
Hmm?
Bureau of Immigration.
Siyempre, pwede po rin ka.
Okay na po. Immigration, guys.
May saan yung papinin mo, ha?
Immigration daw sa
Satellite movies.
Parang dinadala niya lang sana iniwan.
준비가 끝났습니다.
Ano sabi sa'yo?
안전운전하세요. 200m 앞에서 우회전입니다. 그리고 직진하세요.
Go, marunong ka, diba? Go!
Go!
1, 2, 3.
Ano yung sinasabi mo na nag-Korea tayo?
Korea ba? Go natin.
Are you Korean?
May video okay pa to.
Yeah, 한국 사람이에요.
Patay. Walang
Patay
mute.
ka.
Hindi siya marunong.
예.
Oh,
Galing ko.
우회전입니다. 그리고 직진하세요.
galing na nag-grab sa Anyo.
Yeah, 안녕하세요. 예. First time encounter Korea driver? First time?
First
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Ang galing mo.
But,
Ilang taon ako nanonood sa K-drama.
Sabay. Kaya sabi mo.
Tanong mo ka nag-annual report ka.
Oh, hindi. Paano ko iko-Korean yun?
Annual report. Pinigil sa'yo.
Uy,
A lot of student here. A lot of student here, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
university.
Yeah, university.
ito yung napapanood ko sa TikTok eh.
Mag-ano ka? Mag-video ka.
Uy,
Hindi.
Sabi mo. Sabi mo sa kanya.
Korean skills mo kay ano
Are you a vlogger?
Hmm?
Are you a vlogger? Are you a vlogger?
Vlog.
Vlogger? No?
No, vlog.
Vlogger rin.
Hindi, alam ko yun kaya hindi ata sa'yo.
Hindi siya yun.
Actually,
Alam ko inisip ko
What?
hindi ata sa'yo.
Actually, I'm planning to build here. It's a company business here. Business.
Saan mag-apply?
What
I'm
business?
hiring a 10 person.
10 person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You already have 6 now.
6! We're
Yeah.
6.
A handsome
Si
6
Hana,
person.
Miko, 7, 8.
Yeah, are you willing? Yeah, are you willing?
Yeah,
What type
company?
of
What
business?
company?
Pogo.
Pogo!
Sure.
No, no, no.
Sure.
No, 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 no.
We're
No,
actually,
thank you.
We're actually,
Why?
We're actually working in BI,
Hmm?
Bureau of Immigration.
Hmm?
Bureau of Immigration.
Where?
I'm going
We're
to
screwed.
report you.
Oh, you're working where?
Immigration.
Immigration? Hmm?
Bureau of Immigration.
Immigration.
Immigration?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want us to...
Bumulak pa rin po.
I'm planning to build here Pogo.
No,
What
no,
Pogo?
not that
Hmm?
business.
No,
Why
it's
not
good.
Pogo?
Ah, Pogo!
I thought that's good.
It's a quail egg. Quail egg, yeah.
Akala ko Pogo. Pogo. It's Pogo.
That's
Pogo.
Yo.
Where did you know Pugo?
I have a friend in Pampanga.
Papanga?
Pogo Farm.
Oh,
It's only friend?
Yeah, friend.
Sabi ni Cheese, no.
Sabi ko ba, no! Sabi ko ba, no?
You working immigration?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Intern.
Intern.
Oh, yeah. But you're not student.
Student.
Oh, student. Still student?
Yes.
Mm, where you study? Where?
Yeah, there,
UST.
UST.
Oh, you see. Oh.
Fugo.
Tawang-tawang.
Why do you have songbook here?
Actually, I have
Yes,
a karaoke here.
What?
Yeah.
Can you sing?
This one.
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
see.
Hey! Diba siya? May mic! Give it to him. Yo.
Yeah, you pick a song. I don't know what song. Let's go.
Oh.
God, yun naman. Grabe to.
That's enough. So,
Slowly.
gusto ko kasama. Buhay ko'y kompleto na tuwing nandito ka. Sasabi ko, yun ang makapangan na dati kong pangarap ay katotohanan na. Dahil sa'yo ko'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ko'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal. Tapos ay dahil sa'yo ko'y
Sumaya ka, Dela.
mahal sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yong pagmamahal, higit pa sa apat. Ito mag-iingay ng tawag mo, marinig ang boses mo, masaya at kontento na ako. Wala nang iba pang hahanapin, basta't ikaw aking kapiling, lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Tanging inspirasyon, at basta't nandito ka, uy, kaya. Dahil sa'yo ko'y nilaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang tatapusan. Dahil sa'yo ko'y matatang, dahil sa'yo para sa'yo pagmamahal, higit pa sa sapatos. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sita, basta nandito ka. Ako'y niligaya.
Lamig? Pinalo si Bian!
100!
0.
Oh my god. I like it.
Hindi ko lang talaga.
Is he a good singer?
Hmm?
Is he a good singer?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You
감사합니다.
감사합니다. You happy?
Yeah.
You happy? Very happy. Yeah.
What's happening in
I like
Korea?
to song. I like to sing here. Bisong.
Bisong.
You know Bisong? Bisayan song.
Bisaya.
Bisayan song. Yeah. Bisayan song. Yeah. That's a Bisong.
Karinsita. I am Karinsita.
So we're here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. 그런데 Eren 뭐야? Eren, what's your name?
Kin.
Kin.
Yeah, I'm Kin.
Kinwell.
Kinwil.
Kinwell. Yeah. Next,
Jella.
Jella,
Jade.
Jay,
Nico.
Nico,
Alfonso.
Alfonso, and
Felix.
yeah. 반갑습니다.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, just call me Mr. Khan. Yeah,
Mr.
Khan.
Khan.
Mm. That's my last name, Khan.
Oh.
My first name, Phut Hyuk. Phut Hyuk. Yeah, Phut Hyuk.
What's that mean? What's that mean?
That mean. Yeah, that's
there
you
my.
have an
a
English
name?
name?
Yeah, I have a Philippine name and I have a Korean
Oh,
name.
what's your Philippine name?
Yeah, in the up, it's hard to pronounce it. You know, I choose that name. Yeah, nice to meet you, Mr. Khan.
Mr. Khan.
감사합니다. Yeah, you happy.
Have you done annual report? Have you done annual report?
Next week, yeah, my.
Next week.
Next
Yeah,
week.
next week,
See
yeah.
you.
See you there.
Yeah, see you there, yeah.
Where? There?
There.
Oh.
Just
Why not now?
Hmm?
Why you
I
don't
am
now?
I'm busy to
I'm
looking business.
Pogo.
Pogo business.
Why do you have Fugo with you?
Hmm?
Are you selling it?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
How much? For how much?
Yeah, still this?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is only 1 peso. It's here. Very cheap. I live in Seoul.
We've been there.
Oh, really? Sultan Kudarat? In Mindanao.
Soon.
Before, that's why I
Are
like
you
to sing.
Filipino?
I like to sing Bisaya song. I like, yeah.
Oh, Pinoy to.
I live
Pinoy
in-
ka, no? Pinoy ka, no?
Hmm?
Pinoy ka siguro. Ini-eme-eme
Well,
mo lang.
Ito na nga yung napanood ko sa... I watch you. TikTok. Yeah.
What?
I watch you. Yeah,
Yeah, do you
Facebook
have
and
TikTok?
TikTok.
What is the name of?
You're very famous on TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. Yo.
You're-
There?
Yeah. I'm going to report you.
We're going to the... Mr. Khan, right?
Yeah, Mr.
Sir
Khan.
Khan.
Yeah.
I'm going to report you.
Yeah, you search there. Put your Khan.
Put your Khan.
Yeah.
Your travel history.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can search there inside the immigration.
Eme-eme to, Pinoy to, si ante ko.
Oh.
Pag ikaw nabuko
Oo nga,
ulit,
yeah.
1 star ka sa akin. Hoy, Pinoy ka! Tumatawa ka eh!
nga.
No.
At Tagalog yan. At Tagalog yan.
Sabi ko na eh, eme-eme ka kuya.
Ano ba yung
1
alam?
star ka sa akin.
1 star natin.
Annual report next week, eh tapos na
Tapos
yun.
saan, Maragay Part?
Hoy, kuya, dito na lang kami.
Hindi, pasok natin.
Wag na!
Bakit?
Late kami.
Ay, ganun. Wait lang, it's a prank.
Hindi ka, Brock. Suntukin kita.
Oh,
kuya.
yeah.
Wag na nga, dito na lang.
Atras natin play, atras ko ha.
Ah, sige.
Pwede na to, Tim.
Sabi ko na eh,
Mali
Pinoy
tayo.
to eh. Ine-eme-eme ako nito
Ikot na lang
eh.
kuya, pwede yan.
Pwede yan,
Oh,
ikot
dito
lang
na
tayo.
lang
ako.
Pero ilalabas
Pero
natin.
wag sa harap, kuya.
Oh, ang sarap.
Oo, kasi.
Di, sige, pwede na. Para doon tayo.
Matapos na kaming lokohin.
Ikaw lang naloko, Tim.
Tama nga yung sinabi nyo, ako po ay isang content creator.
Yan, yan.
So naka-video tayo.
Yan, hanapin na lang ko yan.
Bawal ba sa inyo? Okay lang ba?
Okay.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang?
Magkano ba ito?
Alam nyo ba?
100 na lang dahil
Yun na lang,
niloko mo
kuya.
kami.
No, bibigyan ko kayo ng bibigyan ko kayo ng
Hey!
Hey!
So,
Dapat lang ano yun.
Yun.
ayan. Uy! Actually, nagbibigay ako ng free ride.
Totoo ba? So, ito?
Yes. Oo, free ride. Totoo yan.
Okay, matapos mo kaming lokohin. Libre mo kami. Bye!
Ayan, baka may shoutout pahabol. Yan, shoutout. Yan, meron ba? Wala.
Sana lang graduate kami lahat.
Ayun. Good luck.
Nice to
Good
meet
luck.
you, Sir Khan.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
Bye!
So, what's your Filipino name?
Putyukan.
Ang galing mo, kuya. Nakakamiss ka.
Thank you po, kuya.
Get well, sakalin
Ingat,
mo
ha?
muna.
Ay, iwan na kayo.
Ingat ha.
Thanks po, kuya. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Panoorin nyo yung vlogs.
Yes po.
Salamat po. Good luck.
Thank you, kuya. Ingat.
Bye-bye. Taga-immigration. Kalahin mo, nakalusot tayo sa immigration. Ay, akala ko makukulong na ako. Whew! It's only nagpapanggap na Koreano.
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kasada, tawa lang ng wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, walang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan.